Drivers behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, go.
All right, and we're off for our first match of the day. We're seeing this is our autonomous period here. 302 is making the first move with a 2-game piece in level 4 in autonomous. Can they get a third? And they do. All right, and on the red side of the field, what is next? And we're in the teleoperated period. Now the drivers are in control of their robots. We're seeing action right here. 803's picked up one from their human player station, and they're lining up, battling with their teammates to find where on the reef do they want to score. We're seeing up one more by 51-44, putting up a third coral on that level 4. Meanwhile, the Blue Alliance has almost doubled that with 6 on the top level of the reef. We're going to see how many points these robots can get on the board. 302 with a little bit of shakiness, but it looks like that coral's still going to go on there as their partners, 3668, remove another algae. And over here, we have 7197 posing, trying to find, are they going to get that algae off of the reef? It looks like they're lining up, and they're taking it with them. They're probably headed off to the processor next. What are we going to see here from their alliance partners? 5144 at the human player station, looking for a short cycle there onto the reef. Meanwhile, the Blue Alliance has lobbed an algae straight up into the barge. Human player action, that's looking like some accuracy right there. All right, 302. Seeing the top rung is a little full. They're going for the lower levels of the reef now. What are we going to see here? They're working with their partners. One tackling level 3, one tackling level 2 on the red side of the field with this 1 minute left in the match now. We're about halfway through. 7197 is here going into the trough, it looks like. They're going to get all 4 levels of the reef. What are we going to see here? Got to keep track of those ranking points. We're looking at 7 coral or so on the top level. We got them distributed throughout the reef here. They're tackling the bottom level. That's the trough. Okay. What are we seeing next? 5144 trying to find where do they want to deposit this coral. And on the blue side of the field, we're seeing 302 with 1 more coral. Looks like they're going to top off that 3rd level of the reef. Then 4 corals on that level. Okay, 5144 gets an excellent pickup right there from their human player. Effortless. That right there is the depth charge, signaling there's 20 seconds left in the match. 3668 is first to attempt to climb, and it looks like they're going to be off the ground. Is 830 going to join them? Let's see. We have 6 seconds left in this match. Oh boy. What are we going to see here? And that's that. And that's going to be a victory for the Blue Alliance. Score of 127 to 109. The first match, always the high score for the event.